The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
After a very hot weekend, we continue to tack on 90-degree days in the Roanoke Valley. So far, 7 this year. At this point last year, we had none. It's actually about average, though, 7 by this point. And right now, Roanoke's at 84, Lynchburg 88, Martinsville 89, Blacksburg at 80 degrees, Wytheville 77, though the humidity very gradually starting to drop off a little bit. When dew points are in the 50s, that's this time of year, that's tolerable humidity, not quite as soupy as it was at some times yesterday afternoon. So when the humidity drops, it allows overnight temperatures to drop a little bit more as well. First thing tomorrow morning, Pulaski, Hillsville, Floyd 57, Lynchburg 61, Danville 62, Roanoke and Rocky Mount about 63 to 65 degrees. But we start to just step on the gas a little bit heading into tomorrow afternoon. Roanoke, Alta Vista 93, Floyd 83, Stewart 89, Lexington and Bedford, Martinsville at 91 degrees tomorrow afternoon. And we continue to see things turning hotter here as we head into Wednesday. And a lot of this is going to have to do with how the wind is interacting with the mountains. This is something we talked about on Saturday when it was really hot. So what happens is the air comes down the east side of the mountains and it compresses. That means it turns drier. It also turns hotter. So there's going to be the potential for near record temperatures Wednesday afternoon, along with a little more humidity. So you see there in the yellow west of I-77, heat index of 85 to 90. Not too bad. But the farther east you go, the closer the heat index gets to triple digits. We're talking areas like Lynchburg and Southside Wednesday afternoon. And here's why we care about that number. When it's dry, sweat evaporates off our skin and it cools us off. But when it's humid, it takes longer for that to happen. Meanwhile, we need some rain, too, to help cool us off and get things at least improving in the drought department. So far, 3 inches below normal for the year, an inch below normal for the month of June. So as we head into Wednesday, along with that heat and humidity, we do see the chance for a few stray showers and storms. Very weak front is going to be moving in out of the west, and there you see Wednesday night into Thursday morning, narrow line of showers and storms that mostly falls apart as it moves across the mountains. But assuming this front can hang out with us by Thursday afternoon, we'll see once again the chance for some hit or miss showers and storms. Nothing terribly widespread, but we'll take any chance we can get at this point in the game. So for today, highs about 85 to 90. Tomorrow, hotter. Wednesday, the hottest out of the next several days. You're looking at a high of 97 in the Roanoke Valley. That's within a few degrees of record heat. Meanwhile, as we head into the later part of the week, high temperatures about 85 to 90 still by Thursday. Going to keep the chance for a few hit or miss showers and storms in the forecast for now. And heading into the weekend, maybe a stray shower in the mountains Friday. A separate front comes through and gives us once again the chance for some sporadic showers and storms. High temperatures later this week in the 80s and lower 90s. Nighttime lows in the 60s and lower 70s. So summer did officially begin late last week. Definitely got the memo. We hit 99 in Lynchburg Saturday, and we'll come close to that heading into Wednesday afternoon. So everything we told you about this weekend applies to this week. Going to need to find some ways to stay cool, stay hydrated, water, electrolytes, taking breaks, especially if you need to be working outside in the heat.